makeup on fleek, her hair on fleek, eyebrows on fleek, her nails on fleek, yeah, shawty on fleek.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marla and this is Texture Talk, where I'm gonna be discussing how I finesse my natural hair and like how I finesse to do like different hairstyles. And it will be strictly based on natural hair, no beat face, just how I style my natural hair. Because every time I go out, my friends are always like, people that I don't even know come up to me and be like, can you tell me how you did your hair like that? I'm terrible at explaining, so like I made this video for you guys. Well, I made this YouTube channel for you guys that keep asking me questions on how I style my hair different ways, and you guys gonna know why they asked me in my next video, because I'm gonna be spilling some. I was at here in 2019, 2018 catfishing people, and you guys gonna find out all about it. I'm gonna show you guys tips and tricks on how you can grow your natural hair pretty fast, and you don't even have to go outside buying products. You can use stuff at your home, and it's really good for your hair. And my hair been growing a lot recently, so yeah, that's it. I guess I just wanted to introduce my channel, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video that will be dropped on Friday. So please like and let me know in the comment below what kind of video you guys want me to. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.